Good morning, guys. Welcome to the episode of Panchos Garage. It is currently 7 in the morning. We're starting off pretty early on this thing. The plan is just a bunch of little miscellaneous stuff here and there, maybe some interior bits. I don't know if you guys can see, I started mocking up some of the interior. Some of the little plastic pieces need trimming. Nothing too crazy. Like little quarter window things needs a little trim down there. These guys, this guy needs a little trim on that side. Nothing crazy, but yeah, so tying up loose ends, maybe some interior, we'll go from there. So let's get started. Alright, so here's where we're at. I got this gas tank in there for probably the final time, or almost. Maybe I gotta take it down one more time. But these guys are here. The inlet, outlet, and the vent down the middle. This vent goes this way and up. I got this vent over here taken care of too. And then the unobtainium one, I don't know if you can see, probably can't see, but it's connected, looped, not kinked, so that's beautiful there. On these fuel lines, this one and this one, they are going to go right here. Go right here, 1, 2. This guy's not angled the way I like it, so I have to buy another 90 fitting. This 45 puts it pointing too down, so I don't really like it. So I can make it work, but I'm gonna just buy another 90 and then do that. So I'm gonna order another 90. Once that comes in, I'll finalize these two hoses right here, and then basically be done with most of the fuel system. I put the new straps. The ones I had previously were the 280 ones for the bigger tank that I was originally gonna go with. So these are the shorter ones. It hugs it more and it pushes it up, and like, I mean, even right here, it's almost at it where it's supposed to be. All I gotta do, and you know, I got a ton of thread left, same thing over here. I just need to adjust it a little bit, you know, hook up a couple things over here. But the important thing is all the vent lines that go into the cabin, they're all there, they're all set. So all I need to do now is connect them to that little tank that goes by the quarter panel, by the upper quarter thing, and finalize those hoses, put some clamps, and then I can start putting in some of that trim, which is what I kind of wanted to do today. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish that up now. Alright, so this is where we're at. This little guy is in there, nice and tight. All the hoses go where they're supposed to, even the ones that go down. And this guy right here that curves in, everything's nice and tight, all the clamps are there. So everything's good hose-wise here to the tank. Next I'm going to work on these panels. I got to clean some of these, and the other ones I need, like, these need a little bit of trimming and stuff like that. But before that, I'm gonna take a quick trip to the Z store. I need to get these little pin things to install these. I think you need like 40 of these. So I'm gonna go do that real quick, and then we'll be back with this. Alright, so I picked up a bunch of these little clip things. Not too pricey. I think you need like 40 of them. I pick up 50 because I'm probably either gonna lose them or break them. But you need 40 to do the car. They're like $6 for 10, $6 or $7 for 10, so it's not too bad. Anyways, on the way back home, and continue with what we're doing. Okay, so after about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours of grinding, the rear panel seems to fit. I don't know if you can see, the lighting's kind of messed up, but it's kind of in there. There's a couple holes like this one that we're gonna have to elongate just slightly, and then the one that goes here, we're literally just gonna have to drill it out and make a new hole here. So that's pretty easy. But other than that, I mean, out of the box, I think that these panels should fit. They don't. They require a lot of grinding down. These little quarter window ones, they weren't as bad. The only thing I had to grind down is this little corner, this little tab right there. Same thing on that side. Other than that, everything else seems to line up. So you can see, this is the amount of grinding I did. I stopped using the little hand drill and just used this guy because this guy did work. But yeah, it was so long so that this guy fell asleep. But yeah, I mean, the interior's coming along. I haven't messed with these panels here. For this particular one, I couldn't get it to fit in without having to take this off, and I don't want to do that. And then on this side, I'll fiddle with it a little bit, but I do not have the wiring in yet, so I don't want to finalize it with these pins, so we'll just keep it at that. But I mean, I threw on the carpet just for a quick test fit, and I like the way it looks, just like that. I think I might keep the blue towers there just with the panels. I think it looks pretty cool. But anyways, I think that's it for this one. I'm pretty tired. I got family things to attend to shortly, but we got started in the interior. Got a good start. I got to continue with the side panels, and then, you know, work my way forward in the car. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.